Good morning everyone. We'll start with class 7 subject social science. We'll start again with geography chapter 5, that is hydrosphere. This is the second video of this chapter. In our previous video we discussed about the hydrologic cycle, that is water cycle, evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, runoff, percolation, groundwater and water table. So in this video today we are going to discuss distribution of fresh water and saline water. What to understand by the fresh water and saline water? The water trapped inside the ice sheets, ice cap, glacier, iceberg and stored in the lake, river and within the aquifer is called the fresh water. Its salt content is very low. So saline water contains significant amount of dissolved salts such as sodium chloride. A very small percentage of water of the total available amount of it is used by human. The large portion of the water on the earth, that is nearly 97%, is present in the ocean. Ocean water is saline and unfit for human consumption. Out of the remaining 3%, 2% is trapped in glacier and ice caps and 1% present in the river, lakes in the atmosphere. As water vapor and as groundwater. The visible water bodies on the land are known as water surface. The main source of fresh water are rivers which carry fresh water from rain or snowmelt. Groundwater is the most important sources of fresh water as it does not get polluted easily. Human can use both groundwater and surface water. The table gives the distribution of water in percentage: ocean water, glacier and ice, groundwater, fresh lakes, inland seas, soil moisture, atmosphere, river, in total 99.9%. Look at this distribution of water on the earth. All water, the salt water 97% and the fresh water 3%. Glacier and ice is 70%, lakes and river 1%, groundwater 29%. Remember the following points. The distribution of fresh water depends on the climate condition of any place. For example, in the northern plain of India, there is more precipitation than in evaporation, so there is surplus water. On the other hand, in the Thar desert, there is more evaporation and hardly rainfall, so there is scarcity of water. Ice caps and glacier are huge reservoirs of fresh water in solid state. Glaciers are formed over a long period of time due to snowfall on the high mountain ranges. The Ganges is a perennial river because it originates from a glacier named the Gangotri Glacier. Large ice sheets are found all over Antarctica and Greenland. Underground water is also an important source of fresh water. Rainwater sweeps into the ground through cracks and porous rocks and collects as groundwater above a layer of non-porous rocks. Although ocean has saline water, they contribute a large amount of water vapor into the atmosphere through the process of evaporation. Ocean connect continents. They are important for trade and commerce that take place through ocean and seas. So look at this question. Why is ocean water saline? From where does salt reach ocean water? This is a homework. Thank you.